Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you today. Let's start with rhyming. I will say 3 words and you repeat the 2 that rhyme. Here we go. Hip, map, tap. Hot, let, net. Top, zip, rip. Rag, tug, rug. Cup, pop, hop. Cap, jump, dump. Must, fit, sit. Hat, lot, dot. Fin, can, ran. Ton, den, hen. Good job. Now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I'm going to say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and if they have the same beginning sound, you give a thumbs up. If they do not have the same beginning sound, you give a thumbs down. Here we go. Vase, vary. Wing, fake. Yak, yo-yo. 0, 9. Bet, bang. Cap, corn. Dig, down. Foot, leg. Good, gold. Happy, hot. All right, now we're going to blend onset and rhyme. So get your choppers ready. I'm going to say the onset and the rhyme. You're going to repeat that, and then we'll blend it together. Here we go. Ed, fed, egg, beg, tell, en, hen, mess, mess, ack, back, am, jam, an, ran, and, hand, map. So that should have been more like app, but I blended it a little too much. Map. Good job. All right, we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say 2 words, you repeat them, and then together we'll make the ending sound. Hook, pick. K. Tall, steel. L. Ham, steam. Run, bean. Cape, rope. Class, fuss. 8, boot. T, cove, live. V, was, size. Z, crab, robe. B. Good. Now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So I will say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop the onset or beginning sound and the rhyme, the ending vowel and consonant sounds. Here we go. Run. Un. Cup. K, up. Fuss. F, us. Sub. Ub. Tuck. Uck. Jet. Et. Red. Ed. Bell. El. Men. En. Less. S. Good. Let's substitute beginning sounds. So we're going to say the word. I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. Here we go. The word is bed. Change B to F. Fed. The word is fed. Change F to L. Lead. The word is lead. Change L to R. Red. The word is red. Change R to T. Ted. The word is Ted. Change T to W. Wed. Good. The word is cap. Change K to L. Lap. The word is lap. Change L to M. Map. The word is map. Change M to N. Nap. The word is nap. Change N to G. Gap. The word is gap. Change G to T. Tap. Good job. All right, we're going to add phonemes. So I will give you the ending rhyme part of the word, the ending vowel and consonant sound, and then we'll add a beginning phoneme. The word is op. Add B to the beginning. Bop. The word is op. Add S to the beginning. Sop. The word is op. Add H to the beginning. Hop. The word is op. Add M to the beginning. Mop. The word is op. Add T to the beginning. Top. Now let's delete some phonemes. The word is pad. Without P, the word is add. The word is kid. Without K, the word is id. The word is locks. Without L, the word is ox. The word is tub. Without T, the word is ub. The word is jet. Without J, the word is et. Good job today.